Daily English News Bulletin, September 3rd, 2025. Hello, learners. My name is Alex. Welcome to today's Daily English News from EnglishOnline.af. Afghanistan Earthquake Update. A powerful earthquake struck eastern Afghanistan, resulting in over 1,400 deaths and thousands of injuries. Rescue operations are ongoing, with international aid pouring in from countries like India, Iran, and the UAE. Despite challenging terrain and aftershocks, efforts continue to reach remote villages and provide assistance. China's military parade. In Beijing, China held a grand military parade to commemorate the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II. Leaders from China, Russia, and North Korea attended the event, showcasing China's military capabilities and emphasizing the importance of peace and dialogue. World Wushu Championships begin. The 2025 World Wushu Championships have commenced in Brasilia, Brazil. This marks the first time the event is held in Latin America, featuring top athletes from around the world competing in traditional Chinese martial arts. English tip of the day. Today's English tip: use the phrase "in the meantime" to refer to the period between two events. For example, the earthquake occurred on Sunday. In the meantime, aftershocks have continued to affect the region. Sentence: that's all for today. Keep learning and see you tomorrow.